Okay, so we just got to Da Nang, and I'm going to turn some lights on and give you a tour of our new digs. If I can find the lights. Got a beautiful living room here. Nice and clean, full kitchen. Let me show the kitchen with a rice cooker. It's fully stocked. Two bedrooms, bathroom, nice living room with a mural on the wall, flat screen TV with a balcony. Let's go check this out. Wow, look at that view. Oh my gosh. Beautiful view of Mackay Beach right from our balcony. How gorgeous. Big, nice, roomy apartment. Bathroom. Master bedroom with the bathroom attached. I'm sure the view of the beach is right outside that window too, and the balcony. Beautiful. It's got a nice rain shower head. Second bathroom. And then this will be little Miss Pris's bedroom over here. Look at that. She has her own big bed and a little desk too. Beautiful. Thanks for joining us for our tour of our apartment in Da Nang today. We hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. We'll see you next time, and don't forget to be weird. It's more fun.